guys, I have a very important and exciting announcement. I realized that most of my audience is learning English, so I wanted to give you the opportunity to learn from zero and completely free, which is why I have this English challenge for you, and you're going to be able to learn English in just 2 months. So I would like to explain to you how this is going to work. Starting today, I will be posting 3 videos for English learners, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But this is separate from my typical Thursday videos. And this is not your typical English course. No. The point of this is to teach you valuable words and phrases. That way you're able to start speaking in English from class 1. In this course, you will learn 1. More than 500 words and how to use them in daily life, plus how teenagers use them. 2, the most important grammar, not the boring kind, the kind that you actually need. And 3, how to understand real-world situations. How cool is that? The only requirement is that you have a positive attitude and that you're willing to study for at least 15 minutes a day with no distractions. That means no phones. As you can tell, I'm going to be posting a video every other day. But that doesn't mean that the days where I don't post a video, you shouldn't be practicing. No. When I don't post a video, I want you to review the last one as well as any video that you found challenging. And don't worry, these videos won't be hours long. I'm going to focus on making short, bite-sized videos that are packed with information. That way you're able to fit them into your busy schedule. All of the lessons will be available on my website at justateenager.com, where you can download them for free. But I will also leave the links in the description box down below. But remember, this course is about spoken English. I'm going to teach you to speak in English. Well guys, I really hope you find these videos helpful. And because these videos are free, I would really appreciate it if you gave the videos a like and you would subscribe. I'll see you guys at our first lesson. Bye! P.S. Once I feel that you guys have learned enough, I'm gonna start hosting English Lives.